Almost 150 years back, it all started under a banyan tree by Premchand Roychand in 1875. At that time, the BSE was not so much popular. It was the first stock exchange in Asia and the 10th oldest stock exchange in all over the world. BSE was initially developed to trade curtains only. Then it started trading the stocks, then the derivatives, and now the indices again. So day by day there is so much revolution in the technology. The Indians are getting more acquainted with the stock market. Now the trading is so simple, any person in India from anywhere just can open his laptop, just go to the stocks, click the buy or the sell option, and the order will be placed within microseconds. Often I been asked one question consistently: what should be my trading capital? So two things you have to keep in mind. One thing is the risk, another thing is the trading capital. And the ideal, generally a customer, a new client to the platform, he is confused about what should be his trading capital. So it may vary from person to person. We cannot say any direct answer that this should be your trading capital. So it all depends what is in your bank account rather than in your trading account. So people say, like, I have come here with 2 lakh money, and in my trading account I have 2 lakhs, so that is my trading capital. No, that's not. So what money you have in your bank account, that also matters. Like, suppose you want to start trading with a 4 lakh of amount. Do you have that much money saved in your bank account first for a year? अगर सोचिए, in Hindi I am explaining you the thing. अगर एक साल का खर्चा निकालने के लिए आपको 4 लाख की अमाउंट की जरूरत है, तो आपको पहले वो 4 लाख आपकी बैंक अकाउंट में रखना है. देन यू कम टू द मार्केट विथ another 4 lakh capital or 2 lakh capital. Why this? Because in the initial years it is very difficult to earn from the market. Any trader you pick, any successful trader in India you pick, just go and ask them how much money you have made in your initial years in the market. None will be saying that they have made the money in the initial first or second year, because it is kind of impossible to make the money, because it all goes towards your learning. So in the initial year, don't expect from the market. So first keep some money saved in your bank account, then come to the market with certain amount of the money to trade with. Many times people get confused that to buy any futures or options, whatever the money is required, that is your trading capital. Suppose you are going to buy a future of 2.5 lakh, that is the margin required, let's say. So they often get confused, that is their trading capital. Or let's say you are buying any options, any put or call, so you may just put 6,000, 10,000 money in your account, you can buy a put or call. So is that your trading capital? No, that is not. Okay, so don't get confused that the margins are your trading capital. Your trading capital is the money that you can lose in your initial year, because keep this in your mind, in the initial year you may not make the money in the market. It is very tough, and trust me, all the big traders, they have not made money in the initial years. So don't expect it from the market. First keep some money in your bank account, then come to the market and trade, learn, trade, and don't lose all your money. So losing the less money gives you a big advantage to exist in the market for a longer time. Okay, so another thing is, shall I trade or shall I not? So I was on a trip so I just went Kedarnath like 2-3 months back. So मैं वहाँ से आ रहा था, मेरे को एक आदमी से मेरा मुलाकात हुआ, और वो आदमी एक जर्मन बिजनेसमैन था. So I just went CCD, the cafe coffee day. So there I just booked a coffee, cappuccino. So that person, he took a beer. Okay. So like I started the discussion. So why you are here and what you're doing. So I just wanted to know his whereabouts. that person told me some things that actually put my mind towards something that is sustainable. So बातचीत में उनसे पूछा कि how is the stock market in your country? Because once I was also interested to doing my MBA in Germany, so I had this question and I asked him. So then he said, in Germany, people don't often invest in the stock market. Then I asked why. 50% of the US people, they are investing in the stock market. Then why not the Germans? Then he said, German people are kind of conservative. They don't invest in something that feels like gambling. So in stock market, sometimes they think that that is type of gambling, and yes, trading is sort of gambling also, you can say, because if you don't have the proper knowledge, the proper skills, proper risk management, then it's gambling. Sure. So Germans do not like to invest in the gambling, so he said. So he's sort of point, like he was very big businessman, but he had that type of thought. The one thing that I understood from his conversation and with me, सो आपको ऐसा नहीं कि पैसा है तो आप मार्केट में आ जाओ और उड़ा दो, ठीक है। तो पैसा को पहले समझना पड़ेगा। मार्केट में आप एक बार बाय करते हैं, सेल करते हैं, पैसा तुरंत चला जाता है, तुरंत आ जाता है, ठीक है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप यूं ही पैसा को उड़ाते हैं कोई गेम मनी की तरह, ठीक है। तो ये चीज़ को आपको समझना जरूरी है। एटलीस्ट वन थिंग वाज गुड दैट दे आर नॉट ट्राइंग to trade in something that they don't understand properly. German is well known for its technological development in mechanical and automobile sectors. You might know this, but still the people in there are not so much interested in the stock market. So my thing is that you understand the value of the money, don't throw it around, okay, and start with less capital, as well as first save your money for your existence of 1 year, any your household expenses you have. Okay, so let's say you have expense of 4 lakhs, give it first, 4 lakhs saved for a year, then come to the market, invest some amount, you lose it, you learn, lose it, learn, and learn and learn. Once there will be a time when you'll have learned so many things, you'll understand the risk management, you'll start being profitable. So that's it, guys. Try to be conservative when it comes to your money, and yes, you have to take some risk, understand the market, and then trade. Okay, thank you.